Hello, my name is Torben, and today I'll explain a little about the use of DIM and how I use it and what I see as the most common mistakes. Here we have an old DIM who's been taken off a hoof. As you can see here, there's a really sharp ridge going up in the frog clefts. I don't like to have that when I apply it, so I try to minimize that. It can make discomfort in the horse, especially here in Denmark or other places where you have a really wet area. We have a really moist and wet environment for our horses, especially in fall, winter, spring, sometimes summer also. So to apply this, I use a special technique so I don't get this sharp ridge, and I'll show you that. When using DIM or other types of silicone, I like using the glue pads because of the filling holes. The filling holes also make a little anchor for the silicone so it stays in place. That's why I always use pads with these holes, no matter if it's a frog support or it's a normal pad.